y'all? It's your girl, Miss Steph V. That's 2 V's and 2 E's, and welcome back to my channel. I thought that it would be a great idea to share with you all my updated hair routine, so here I am clearly in need of a wash day. So step one that I usually like to do, that I've started doing most recently, is pre-pooing. Pre-pooing is a treatment that you put all over your hair before you shampoo, for those who don't know. And I like to use extra virgin olive oil. Using it as a pre-poo or using it in general in your hair routine has a lot of great benefits for your hair, as you can see on the screen. So anyway, at this horrible angle, here I am taking my hair down from a puff that's been in for a couple of days. Dry, brittle, I mean, we know this. And all I do is literally pour some of the olive oil in my hands, rub it together to warm it up a little bit, and then put it all over my hair, my strands, my scalp, everything. Now I'm just putting my hair right back into that little puff ponytail thing and heading off to a workout. And we back. So now I'm going to shampoo with my Pattern Beauty Hydration Shampoo to gently cleanse and hydrate. I follow that with my Sunny in Dubai Black Soap Shampoo with 100% natural ingredients. I really love this stuff. Then I'll detangle and condition with my Pattern Beauty Heavy Conditioner for Coilies, amplified hydration and nourishment. Into the shower we go. I left my hair in this microfiber turby twisty thing, towel, while I got dressed for about 5 minutes, and then took it out so it wasn't sopping wet. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair to apply my deep conditioner. I use the Miele Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask infused with biotin and encourages growth. It's really good, it smells good and minty, fresh, and it nourishes my hair. And don't forget to get those ends, that's super important. You're trying to keep these ends for as long as possible. Then I just put my hair in this plastic cap or a plastic bag. I didn't have one, so I used this CVS bag. And then I sat under my heating cap that I usually sit under for about 30 to 45 minutes. I learned how important it is for my low porosity hair to rinse out the deep conditioner, and all conditioners really, with cool water. Because cool water locks in all the moisture from that deep conditioning, locks in the moisture from the conditioner and the shampoo or whatever, and leaves your hair shiny, silky, and closes the cuticle. So you really want to make sure that that moisture that you spent so much time putting into your hair actually stays. So now I'm sectioning off my hair to begin styling. And you guessed it, I'm going to use my Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner to define and moisturize. And I actually really do like this line. I know a lot of videos and reviews said that they didn't. I guess my hair is just very specific and responded well to these products, but they really do leave my hair very moisturized. Anyway, I decided to do a twist out, and I'm going to use the Miele Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. As you'll notice, there's a little pattern. I like to use matching brands because I feel brands, at least if I can't use the same line, their products kind of go well together, and I won't have any flaking or any residue left on my hair at the end of the style. Anyway, for each section, I detangle it with a wide tooth comb, and then with my Denman brush to really make sure all the tangles are out, because my hair is tightly coiled. And then when I get to the bottom of each twist, I wrap it around my finger to seal the ends. And I just kind of repeat that on my whole head. You'll notice I'm twisting these front two sections, or like my bangs, forward over my face, and that's because the style I was going for, I really wanted to imitate and do bangs. We'll see how that turns out. It's not for me to say. So about 20 to 30-ish minutes later, all my twists are done, and I like to have my hair stretched a little bit because shrinkage is real. So I usually take bobby pins and pin down the top sections and stretch the back pieces into a low bun slash ponytail slash whatever you want to call it. And then I leave my front bangs out. Last but not least, I go in with my Sunny in Dubai herbal growth oil that has olive oil, rosemary, neem, green tea, nettle, and horsetail. Really good for natural growth, but also good for moisturizing my scalp. I like to put that all over my scalp and then massage it in. See y'all in the morning. And we back. Hello, I'm back with my satin bonnet. So the first step that I like to do is put a little bit more of that Sunny in Dubai growth oil on my hands before I untwist, because that does help with my frizz. I do like to separate because I like a lot of volume. So I separate a lot and want to ensure that all that time I put into twisting my hair don't go nowhere. I will say, if your hair is not 100% dry, that oil is not going to help you in terms of getting these defined twists. Your hair is going to come out frizzier if it's not completely dry. So make sure your twists are dry, sit under the dryer, maybe set a blow dryer to it, leave them in maybe for an extra day if you feel like they don't dry, because I know my hair takes forever to dry. Just make sure they're dry so your time is not wasted. Another quick tip I've learned is to separate the twists when you get all the way to the top, and make sure you actually separate them at the root. This helps add a little bit more body. Obviously be careful and separate the twists where they naturally separate rather than forcing them, but I found this really helps with adding volume and body to my twist outs.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
The more that I started fluffing my hair, the more I realized I actually don't need to put it up into a puff. I can actually leave it out. And this is the first time that I've ever been able to wear my hair out like this, so I take that as healthy growth and healthy hair progress, and it's still movable and defined, so pat self on back. The last step in this routine is doing my edges. I use the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. It's literally one of the only edge controls, other than the super strong gels, that can actually hold my hair down and make it last for more than just one day. So I really recommend this, and it smells really good. And yeah, y'all, that's the end of my updated natural hair routine. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.